You got it.
Hell yeah, look at this clean ass loop, bro. You might want to get a flashlight, but it's clean.
Yeah, there you go, that works.
Oh my god. Genius. Fit?
I think that fits better.
Oh yeah, good job.
There's like no space. Oh yeah. Maybe before I finish it up, I have that GPU thing. Those anyway.
Alright, now I gotta figure out all this shit. So what's this? What's this cable? Over here.
You take it back out again.
Okay. Alright. PCI Gen 2 power switch and LED. Oh my god, I need a flashlight.
You don't have one anymore?
I don't have a phone.
Yeah.
Damn, all these cables are gonna be fucking crammed in there, dude. There's no fucking way.
Oh yeah.
That's what if I just take off the cooler again and just route everything and then place the cooler on top? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I think so. I like to go so many times, and I think I stripped the screws kind of bad.
You did?
A little bit. That's a little.
Well, maybe try doing it without
Yeah.
taking the stuff off.
Yeah.
If you really, really need to.
Yeah.
Try it.
At least these cables are flat, which is nice.
Hopefully that's the last of my guy take down. Alright, so that goes on like right too.
Alright, anyways, it's fine. Corey's almost done with his, and we'll show you the final product.